From darkness, greatness emerges. For too long, our dreams have remained locked in shadow, as our flickering candle of hope barely illuminated the immense darkness. Each attempt to ascend our own ladder toward the stars ended in stumbling uncertainty, leaving us frustrated and confined by our limited strength and fleeting knowledge. Then, a transformative beacon appeared, Mr. Ash Mufareh and the Ash Platform. Imagine a world where your dreams become tangible, where ancient laws of success converge with modern wisdom to light your path. This platform isn't merely a new strategy. It is the dawning sun that replaces guesswork with elite strategy, ensuring that each step you take is guided by proven principles. The platform embodies the timeless insight of visionaries like Thomas Edison, who saw failures as mere lessons, and Napoleon Hill, who championed the power of desire and faith. As the platform unfolds, its radiant energy transforms our small flickering candle into a blazing light of purpose. Each lesson and strategy reveals a clear path through the dark forest of uncertainty. It teaches us that our struggles were not the end, but the opening act of a much grander narrative. With the Ash Platform, your potential is no longer capped by self-doubt. Instead, it expands into a horizon of endless opportunity. The ancient, steadfast laws of success become the blueprint, and your journey transcends ordinary effort. Emboldened by this new frontier of free education and strategic mastery, every moment of doubt is replaced by clarity. Our limited might fuses with the power of elite guidance, transforming us from common dreamers to architects of our destiny. The Ash Platform is the bridge that transports us from despair to aspiration, from stagnation to soaring achievement. Every lesson leaves an indelible mark on our hearts, forging an unbreakable bond with the principles of success. This union of insight and action inspires us to pursue our dreams relentlessly. Together, we rise above past limitations, embracing a future filled with promise. Your transformation is now within reach. Embrace this luminous path, and let it propel you to remarkable heights. Experience the unstoppable power of wisdom transformed into action, and feel your spirit awaken with a new sense of purpose. The light of the Ash Platform shines bright, inviting you to step forward and claim the greatness that awaits. Your journey from ordinary to extraordinary starts here. Join the Ash Platform today, and let greatness ignite your soul. Unite your strength. Rewrite your destiny today. Every day, ordinary lives awaken to challenges that test our very spirit. In moments of doubt and struggle, when adversity threatens to break us, a hidden power stirs deep within, an inner flame fueled by hope. It is the proven system of the Ash Platform that binds us together, forging a tapestry of unity and unshakable resolve. Across generations, individuals have faced hardships and obstacles that seemed insurmountable. Yet with every setback came a spark of resilience, a reminder that our true wealth lies not in material success but in our integrity, character, and the strength to press on. Here, every trial transforms into an opportunity, every fear into a stepping stone toward a greater destiny. The Ash Platform stands as a beacon of hope and empowerment. Conceived by visionary Ash Mufareh, it turns raw, hopeful material into a legacy of extraordinary impact. With a unified community and a system that works, this journey is not reserved for a select few but offered to all who choose to embrace it. It is a call to celebrate our inner peace, find strength in unity, and aspire to leave an indelible mark on the world. Now is the moment to step forward with courage. Let your heart be stirred, and your resolve strengthened. Embrace the victory that awaits. The door to your extraordinary future is open. Embrace it, and let your legacy begin. Join the Ash Platform today. Your journey toward transformation and timeless impact starts now. Step boldly forward, seizing every precious moment to redefine destiny.